Hi again. In this video, I am going to show you a very simple step that we perform every now and then, and that is creating a new document in NX. You will think what is really interesting in this particular step, which we do, though we do it very often, but it is very simple step to perform. But there could be very interesting things that you can do with this. So let's see, let's deep dive into it. What we do when we create a new document in NX, we simply go to new, we pick up the relevant template, name it, choose the location, and then click OK. So this is how we create the new document. So just to recap you on this is the first step. We click on new button, then we select the desired template. Step number 2. Step number 3 is name it. Step number 4 is choose the folder location and then click OK. So step 4. So 4 step we use inside. So these are the 4 steps that we perform to create a new document. Now, let's see how you can do this 4 step process with just one click of button. What you see on my screen is a journal editor. This is a very initial step, I would say, to use journal editor to write some piece of program that we can run on NX. How to launch this journal editor is very simple. Go to menu, tools, and journal. So I'm going to play this straight away. Once I play it, you can see one document with name test.prt is open and which is a blank one. And all of this has happened with just one click of button. I just clicked on this play button and everything is happened. Now, let's look at this code. This is a code written in C sharp, very few lines of code, but it is not just those 4 steps that we have performed. It can do much more for you. For example, let's look at here. This line indicates that it is a new file. This line indicates it is a blank template. This line indicates it is the millimeters unit for this document. This typical line indicates the folder location as well as the file name. And we also switch on the modeling application when we do it. So that obviously happens when we create the PRT file. But these are few settings, those are uh, pre-framed here or pre-assigned here. So that once we click the button, we get that created with that location, with that part file, with that units in just one click. So just a simple hack, but it can be useful in most of the cases. This is very simple use case as such, but imagine if you are working on different templates, you're using different templates to create the new components within NX. And on top of that template, you also do something which suits that typical uh, document that you are going to start off with. Then imagine you can have several such buttons on your uh, here this command manager uh, with several buttons for several type of documents that you would like to create new. And that not just selecting the template, but also applying some settings on top of that template is possible. So this is the power of programming. If you are watching this till the end, then please like, subscribe, and share the content from my channel. If you are doing something similar, then I would like to know what you are doing, and we can literally think of doing that with program rather than doing that manually. So if you're doing something similar, please comment in the comment section. And see you. Bye bye for now.